This is a poem about a beautiful red bird, her dilemma and her emotions. Please listen till the end. My wings resembled ruby, I was utterly praised. I am the prettiest red bird that left others amazed. A scathing sun shone above, all ponds slowly dried. I felt thirst escalating and no water in sight. I knew the way to the fountain, reached there but stopped. What if the spurting water, my red color, wash off? I felt the pain of thirst, I felt the glee of beauty. Couldn't take a step ahead and woke up in my bed. Oh yes, I am a girl, bewildered by this dream. Are we busy flaunting ourselves, ignoring the soul's screams?